Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an apple because it is the start of school. And if you were wondering, I am going into 5th grade. Whoop whoop! I am super excited. I don't know about you guys, but over the summer I had to do a lot of cleaning and I did not like that. I am so ready to go back to school. Here's what you need to get started. First, you're going to need red, green, and brown Play-Doh. And what I find is helpful is using a Play-Doh knife or a real knife. But if you are using a real knife, be sure to ask an adult for help first. And if you haven't seen my little tip yet, I like to pull up a picture on the internet so it can help me kind of visualize it a little bit better. Let's get started. I'm starting off with the base of the apple. After you form it into a ball, you kind of want to make a little hole in the top because that is what most apples look like. And I like to use my thumb. To give it more of a realistic look, I like to give it a little hole in the bottom like you do with most apples. Remember, you also want to make it narrower towards the bottom because that is how a real apple looks. Now we're on to the stem. Last are the leaves. Don't suggest giving it to your teacher though, because I don't think they want to eat Play-Doh. If you want to give an apple to your teacher, stick with the fresh ones. Be sure to come back to see what creation I'm making next on Happy Kids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.